very practicality of solutions rest in the nature of the questions you ask at the beginning, you see. That's why when you have negotiation between nations, we sort of laugh about nations arguing over the shape of tables and so forth, and where one is going to sit relative to the other. But as facetious as that is, those are important procedures, though. They're very important. Because when you got people struggling over personal issues, struggling over issues of being slighted, issues of not being respected, it's very difficult to discuss real, solid issues. This situation often leads to the sabotage of issues. We see methodology then contained in all major areas of importance. Governments have procedures and laws. Science, to a great extent, is a methodological approach to answering questions and testing hypotheses. All kinds of games have rules and procedures and approaches. When we even look at our African past, we see that the problems of our African ancestors were solved within the context of procedures, the context of rules, the context of definitions. And that, I think, is a quality that we need to rediscover as Africans in America and Africans in the New World. The rediscovery of procedure and rules as to how we approach our problems. Another major issue and another major reason for unproductive and acrimonious debate is our failure to recognize the very heavy influence of the political economic context in which we live, and to recognize that this context has a very heavy influence on our social interactions.